going to show y'all how to notch a piece of tubing like that. The way I do it here with this machine is pretty simple, but I just figured I'd go through the steps in case somebody wanted to know. And I will show you the machine a little bit better here. It's a Mittler Brothers tubing notcher. It is the original style that has the vise that you can adjust right here. Sorry about the lighting. And works real nice. I keep it greased up. Thin layer of grease on it keeps it from rusting. It's got burr bit, it's what takes the material off. And it's shaped in a cylinder like fashion. There's a newer machine here. It's very, very sharp. Keep your hands clear. It'll cut you up. So this one, it will spin so you can do really good broad angles. You can take and twist that vise around there and really take out a lot of material. A lot of times I'll pre-cut it if you get into a large notch that you want to be real tight. Then I'll cut it beforehand just to save wear and tear on the bit, removing unnecessary material. So here it goes. Here's a little operation demonstration. Well, try to get that camera back in there, right? Okay. So normally I keep the machine unplugged. I'll plug the machine in, give it power, and first thing you do is you got your vise. I've already notched this 90 degrees once, and when you do that you want to line up the notch with the seam. Make sure that you got it how you want it, you know. But then the next step is to determine if you're going to put this piece in between two others, which I am. You want to make another fish mouth in it so that it fits like that, where it's got a good tight gap, perfect gap, and then you clean. Like in this case I'm using recycled material, so I'll clean the paint off and then it'll be ready to weld. But first thing you do, put it in the vise like that, and then I just kind of leave the vise a little bit snug, and then you hold your T here. Not sure if you can see, I believe you probably can. So you have that, and that's how you determine how true your next fish mouth is going to be. Let me adjust this right over there. There it is. So you put you another piece up there. And then you line it up. So that's what I'm going to do here. Now I'm lining it up by eye. I've done this a lot. Like a whole lot over the years. So that's really good right there. So what I do is I go ahead and put a little bit more bite on that vise, because you don't want that to go nowhere. And then a lot of times I'll have that tubing butted up against the bit there initially when I'm working it. This time I didn't. But in which case, I usually roll the vise back a couple turns, just so I know that it's cleared off of the bit. So next step here is to kick it on. There's the switch right here. Kind of hard to see, but kick it on. Joker's spinning. Alright, so first thing you do, you get a little lube right there. Just hit it, lube it up. That's number one. and then you just really feed it. So what I'm doing here is I got this roller and I'm feeding it. So what I was watching for there is the tubing to draw back to a certain coat. Once I get it that certain coat, I'll check it for alignment and then go from there. But basically that's the end of the operation, and you just hit your vise and then you got your tubing here, and it's got that notch that you like, just perfect, and ready to clean up and use in a joint. So that was a little video. This thing's got a good little electric motor on it, gear reduction, burr bit, works pretty good. You see that guard right there? That thing right there is what that other sticker was about. Keep them guards in place. And that's important. Keeps people from sticking their hands where they don't go. So if you wondered what sometimes people use to notch tube was, this here's what I use to notch tube. And it's worked good for me for the last 15 years, and took care of me whenever I needed to notch something right. But I will end this video, and I will say that y'all should have a great day if you're able, and try to be able. Take care.